forgot already. Yeah! Let's go! Hi everyone! Welcome to Vibe. So we're leaders for today. My name is Carrie.
I am Bess, and we are gonna continue our studio tour. Follow us.
Let's go! Woo! Hi, so you can follow us to the female toilet. So yeah, very special access today because you're not a female, but we are going to the woman toilet. And first of all, you can come over here and take a fresh towel. Yeah, it smells great. Mamma mia. Yes, okay, come in. I want to show you something unique that you probably didn't notice when you're in the toilet, okay? So over here, there are some signs. You cannot throw triangles in the toilet. You cannot throw bombs in the toilet. You cannot bring burger and drink. And you cannot have foods.
Yeah, and no gymnastics.
Yeah, and I'm so sorry, but you cannot flush anything other than bad vibes. So only good vibes, even in this toilet.
Okay, over here you can see our mirrors. It's very Pinterest, very trend, very beautiful. And then right below that we have our beautifully designed sink.
Yes, so our bosses are very thoughtful, okay? So you can see this sink here. It's not just any ordinary sink. So what you can do is just to open, alright, on the tap. And you can see right over here, the water doesn't flow directly onto the mushroom. Yeah, so you don't splash on yourself. Good, okay, don't waste water. Yay, walkway. So over here, how many cubicles?
4 showers, and it's all different colors, so you come and choose your favorite one.
Yes. You can fit, I think, maybe 4 people.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yes, okay. Yeah, you see, even me and Bess, we can shower together. Yay!
Okay,
yeah, so one for her and one for me.
Yeah. Okay, so right here, right, we have our very bougie soap and shampoo and conditioner, beautifully curated just for you. So after you spin, right, the shower is a must. I know sometimes people don't shower, they go home, but cannot. You must leave here smelling good.
Yeah, good job. Okay, wow. Oh my god, am I in Hollywood? Oh my god. So welcome to our vanity area. As you can see, this mirror makes you feel like a Hollywood star. So over here, but even though we're a very small studio, we are actually very meticulous in our offerings. So you can see over here, we have our makeup remover from Bioderma. I think a lot of you guys use it as well. And then we have individually wrapped Q-tips, okay? Individually wrapped, where I can find outside. And then next one would be our cotton pads, alright? If you want to remove your makeup as well. Ooh, okay, and then last but not least, we have very compact and light hair dryers from Strive. You see? Wow, best! Amazing!
Okay, so over here we have our lockers. This one is very nice, it's not a digital one. So after it got 2 layers, you can put your shoe, you can put your clothes, and then you close. And then you wear this like a bracelet, or you can hang on your handlebar.
Yeah.
And then also you want to change out of your shoes, you sit here. And this is our beautiful full-length mirror. We take selfies. But everybody come here always take one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go. So you're coming to the nearing of the end of our studio tour. So before you head to class, please always remember to take your towel here with our Orion logo. Okay, before you head into class, yeah? Let's go. Yay!